Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical feature on your TEEHO door lock, the auto lock function. Do you ever wonder how to make sure your door locks itself automatically after you close it? Or maybe you want to turn off that feature for convenience? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step guide on how to easily turn on and turn off the auto lock feature on your TEEHO electronic door lock. This is crucial for both security and flexibility, so let's get right into it. Alright, let's get started. The auto lock feature on your TEEHO door lock is designed to automatically lock the bolt a few seconds after the door is closed. This is fantastic for peace of mind, but sometimes you might want to adjust it. How to turn on the auto lock feature on your TEEHO door. Lock first, let's look at how to activate this convenient feature. Step 1. Access programming mode. To start, you'll need to enter the programming mode. On your TEEHO door lock, locate the programming button. This is usually on the interior side of the lock, often under the battery cover or a small panel. Visual. Show where the programming button is located. Pressing it. Press the programming button once. You should hear a beep or see the keypad light up, indicating it's ready for input. Step 2. Enter the master code. Next, enter your 6 to 80-digit master code, followed by the reliably key. Remember, this is the main code you use to manage your lock settings. Visual. Show fingers typing in a generic master code, then pressing quote. If successful, the lock will beep again, confirming you're in programming mode. Step 3. Select the auto lock function. Now, to turn on the auto lock, you'll typically press a specific sequence. For most TEEHO models, after entering the master code, you'll press 1 followed by the ET's key. Visual. Show fingers pressing 1, then ET. The lock should give you a confirmation beep, and the bolt might extend and retract to signal that the auto lock is now active. This means your TEEHO door lock will now automatically relock itself after about 30 seconds to a minute of being unlocked, depending on your specific model. How to turn off the auto lock feature on your TEEHO door lock. Now, what if you want to disable the auto lock? Maybe you're moving furniture, or you're having guests over and want the door to stay unlocked. Step 1. Access programming mode. Just like before, we start by accessing the programming mode. Press the programming button on the interior side of your TEEHO lock. Visual. Reiterate pressing the programming button. Step 2. Enter the master code. Enter your master code, followed by the E-10 key. Visual. Reiterate entering the master code and E-10. Step 3. Disable the auto lock function. To turn off the auto lock, after entering the master code, you'll generally press 0 followed by the cone key. Visual. Show fingers pressing 0, then bound. You'll hear a confirmation beep, and the lock will indicate that the auto lock feature is now disabled. Your TEEHO door lock will now remain unlocked until you manually lock it or enter a code to unlock it again. Here are a few extra tips regarding your TEEHO door lock's auto lock feature. Confirmation is key. Always listen for the beeps or look for the keypad lights to confirm your changes have been accepted. Master code security. Never share your master code. If you need to give temporary access, use a user code instead. Battery life. Keep an eye on your lock's battery life. Low batteries can sometimes affect programming or the reliability of features like auto lock. Refer to your manual. While these steps are common for many TEEHO door lock models, always consult your specific user manual if you encounter any issues or have a different model. The manual will have the precise programming sequences. Troubleshooting. If the auto lock isn't working after you've turned it on, try redoing the steps. Also, ensure your door frame is aligned correctly and the bolt can extend freely without obstruction. And there you have it. Turning the auto lock on or off on your TEEHO door lock is a straightforward process once you know the steps. It's a great way to customize your home security and convenience. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smart home device tutorials, electronic lock reviews, and thermostat guides. Do you prefer having auto lock on or off? Let me know your thoughts and any questions you have in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.